Chloe. What did you make today?
I made a flower.
It's gorgeous. Where did you get the flowers?
From outside. And it get good outside season.
And then she runs away. What are you doing?
I'm just picking flower for you and me. I'm picking some flower and daisy.
Yeah, are you gonna go pick some more?
Of course.
Go ahead.
One for Daddy Novice.
Yeah. Oh.
There's for Daddy.
Yeah.
There's one for Owen.
Oh, it's a one for everybody?
Yeah. I'm doing flowers, a lot of different color flowers.
Yeah, wildflowers, right? And we're taking a nice walk. Why do we like to take walks?
Because I love to smell the fresh airs.
What are you doing, Chloe?
We're putting the flower in the jar to make it drink water.
Okay, good job.
He's drinking.
Yeah, drinking water, right? Okay, put it in.
Hey.
Okay, now put all the other ones in. They need water too.
Yeah, the way he's thirsty.
Very thirsty. Can you put them in quickly before they're going to say, I want to drink too?
He's very hungry.
Yeah, very hungry.
Of course,
That's our Daisy, right? Yeah.
This is what we got for outside.
I know.
And I got a badge.
It looks beautiful. Okay.
Yeah, with the mochi.
I know.
And I get it so nice.
Beautiful. Chloe's first flower arrangement, right?
Yeah, this is my